This 2022 Jayco Whitehawk 29BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Whitehawk 29BH is 7,025 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.